Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Kingman, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles is considered a long-distance move. At 3 men and a truck, we can help you relocate with ease, even if you want to move your property across the state or even across town. We take advantage of the solid, working relationship we built with the federal municipal authorities in charge of overseeing the full relocation procedure in the country. A comprehensive insurance package is also available for our customers, which covers them both before and after the transfer. We have a team of movers who are dedicated to making sure that our customers' possessions and they themselves arrive safely at their destinations. It's important to know that our long-distance service is reasonably priced and that we do not overcharge. Long-distance moves are more expensive, while local moves are less expensive, and we charge even less for them, $30 to $40 per hour on average. Our modest prices do not detract from the highest standard of our work. Even so, you can count on us to give you the best possible moving assistance, which we have in our arsenal. All of our movers are licensed, and your belongings will arrive on schedule with the help of our experts. We're also adept at navigating densely populated areas like a knife through butter. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kingman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.